Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping skin and choosing pulse points that warm well. Wrists, behind ears, and the base of the throat are best. Once done, spray 2-3 short bursts from about 15-20 cm. This gives an even veil without saturating. Apply to slightly damp, moisturized skin because oils hold scent. Make sure to avoid rubbing wrists together, as that crushes top notes and shortens the effect. You continue by layering to build depth and longevity. Start with an unscented or matching lotion so the perfume adheres and unfolds more slowly. Next, lightly spritz one spray on clothing or hair. Test a hidden seam first to prevent staining. Once out and about, refresh with a half-strength spray if projection drops. Apply small amounts to pulse points to avoid overpowering others. This preserves the chocolate musk's dry down and keeps the balance of notes. You finish by adding a final mist to hair or a scarf for an elegant trail that stays more subtle than direct skin saturation. If the perfume seems weak, layer a matching lotion or reapply sparingly rather than increasing volume. This preserves complexity. If it feels too strong, step into fresh air, dab unscented oil at pulse points to soften projection, or lightly spray fabric at a distance. Make sure to test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.